How to delete other storage in Samsung mobile phones. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps and then click on sort and filter and then click on size and then click on OK. Now here you can see the apps sizes. Now click on this game and then click on storage usage. Now here you can clear data and cache memory. After that, go back and click on Google Play Services and click on storage, and here you can also clear data and cache memory. After that, go back to your home screen and open Play Store. Now install the storage analyzer and disk usage app. After install this app, then open it and then click on gain permission. Now turn on button. Now go back and then again click on gain permission. Now turn on this button. After that, go back and here you can see all the informations. Now go back, file categories, and now click on others, and after clicking on others, then simply click on files, and then on top right corner you can see these three dots. Now click on it and then click on select all. Now here you can see all the apps and then click on delete. So this is the way to delete other storage in Samsung mobile phones. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.